sound. Cloaked in mist, it draws a line between the earth, the stars that shine. Silver rose, it's been so thin, a world unseen beneath the skin. Hidden rain falls when no one sees, dancing quiet through the leaves. Speaking riddles to the ground, lost in silence, not a sound. Cloaked in mist, it draws a line between the earth, the stars that shine. Silver roads, it's been so thin, a world unseen beneath the skin. Hidden rain falls when no one sees, dancing quiet through the leaves. Speaking riddles to the crowd, lost in silence, not a sound. A gentle weight, a hushed refrain, hold the secrets of the rain.